Hi, my name is Chris. I'm from the News Chronicle, and today we're going out in Asokoro town to find out the people's favorite celebrities and how well they know them. And we're also giving out 5,000 naira to a winner. Follow me, let's go. Well, we are posing a question to our people around Asokoro just to find out their favorite celebrities. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am. I want to win this money.
Okay, so who's your favorite celebrity?
I like Davido. Yes, Davido is my favorite celebrity.
Wow, why did you choose Davido as your favorite celebrity?
I like the way his voice sounds like this song, like the way he sings. I like it.
Okay, that's nice. What's the date of birth of Davido?
This company is October 3rd. Yes, October 3rd, 1989.
You didn't get it. Who's your favorite celebrity?
Nigerian, bro.
Yes, Nigerian celebrity.
So I say Arasta.
Why? Ayasa is the favorite celebrity.
Because she's good at what she does. Very beautiful. Top 3 Nigerian female artists, even Africa. She's also not.
Okay. What's the date of her birth?
A bit of it.
Yes.
Sorry. I don't really know. I'll have to check. I forgot.
Can you
I cannot guess. I don't know.
Try and guess.
August or something. August.
What year?
What's it? 2000, 2001.
Oh, I'm sorry.
2001.
You failed it. If not, you would have won the 5,000 naira cash.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Don't tell me now.
Thank you. Who is your favorite celebrity?
I so much love her. Her music, her charisma, everything about her. She's just my best.
What's the date of her birth?
I'm a bit confused. 19th April, 1988. Yeah, 19th April.
Wow.
Definitely.
You are lucky enough for today. In this episode, 5,000 naira. This is the end of the show for us for this week. See you next week.